somebody in. And my legs start. This was fun.
You know what you should do in the video?
What?
You should see what it does when you go up to 2. We didn't do that. See how it levels on 2.
It's actually pretty nice.
It's a very nice elevator, but it is just bizarre. See what 2 does. It goes up to 3, then down to 2. Look at that. That is the strangest thing I've ever seen.
Hey, look at that.
That is the strangest thing I've ever seen in my life. To go to 2, you go up to 3, then down to 2.
It actually, if you think about it, it actually wastes electricity.
This elevator obviously cannot level in the up direction.
Yeah.
A lot of older hydros can do that, but you think it would overshoot 2, then go down, you know?
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to demonstrate that on my video. I'm going to do another clip for a second. But this elevator is really neat. This is what you call a very neat elevator. I've never seen one act like this before. Here, can you hold my phone real quick?
I'll go back to the car.
Just stay with me.